I forgot this game came out today. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing another Nintendo Switch game because apparently Nintendo decided to revive the Mario and Luigi franchise. Remember to like this video, comment down below and subscribe, because today only we're doing a special offer. If you subscribe, we'll get 2 cookies. That's it. Limited time offer. Oops. Mario. So, oh, that's cool. Oh, it's not one. It's that's your pre-order. I thought it was 2 because the way the picture was, but it's front and back. We'll get to that in a minute. And the game. Oops. Mario and Luigi Brothership. I always keep thinking it's Broship, not Brothership. Let's get into this. Brand new Mario and Luigi. I have to say, the case is a bit boring. That it's just pure white. Oh, that's the inside. That's your cartridge. That actually looks pretty sick, I can't lie. And now... I won't use scissors because after last time I actually damaged one of my cases. I had something metal from when I came back from a trip and I wanted to get the plastic off, and I thought I'd use scissors for it, and instead I slit it on the back. That's your inside. And that's pretty cool. So when you have it open, it's like Mario and Luigi together. Anyway. This is a very quick unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. And you get 2 free cookies. Bye!